Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Georgia. Now guys, we're going to look at the two main methodologies that are available that can give you the complete support and help that requires you to set up a limited liability company and structure it in the right manner. The first platform is called inkfile.com, the fast, free awarding winning company formation. You can join over 1 million business owners with Inkfile that have been using Inkfile since 2004. And remember guys, starting a new business can be stressful and very expensive, and there's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, varying state requirements, numerous steps, and lots of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error, mistakes that can be costly, and that is where Inkfile comes in. And obviously you only have to pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. And formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with the premium packages. Guys, there's no hidden cost or subscription, is 100% free, and the fastest filing speed with a free registered agent and free compliance reminders. And Inkfile goes beyond the LLC filing with all the tools to manage and help you grow your business. Inkfile's comprehensive set of services have got you covered, from getting your employer identification number to getting your business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service that suits your situation as and when you need them, guys. From annual reports to registered agents to virtual addresses to the EIN numbers, you can get access to the Inkfile's business growth dashboard. Your business essentials all are in one place to get reminders and compliance alerts and grow your business with additional services when you need them. All you need to do is click on get started and you'll be taken to the next page. Over here there are going to be two options. The first one is the entity type and the second one is the state of formation. Now the entity types you can select. Do you want an LLC, the S corporation, C corporation, or the non-profit? We're going to go with a limited liability company. Then we select the state that we want to form our limited liability company in. So if you scroll down, we can select Georgia. As we do that, we get three packages: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now if you look on the screen, you can clearly see that the state fee is common between all three of them, and the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and Inkfile does not keep any part of this fees. While on the other hand, you have your package fee. The package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now with the silver, you get the core feature at the lowest price, which is $0 for the package fee and $100 for the state fee. You get the preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support, and for $299 you can get the gold one, which is a comprehensive feature to get your business started. You get a package fee of $199 and a state fee of $100. You get preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, EIN business tax number, the IRS form 2553 operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboards, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. And if you go for the platinum one, you get a full service features at the best value for $399 with a one-time transparent payment with a package fee of $299 and a state fee of $100. You get everything that's included in the silver and the gold, plus you get a business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, and a business email. Now guys, I always mention to everyone that is starting a limited liability company for the first time to go for the platinum one, so you can always keep yourself one step ahead of the competition and you can focus on starting your business the proper way. You can focus on developing your operating and strategic management. You can work on your sales and marketing, and you can let the legal sides be taken care of by someone who understands what they're trying trying to do and what they need to do. Now, if you want to speak to someone, you can always head over to LegalZoom.com, where you get the legal help that you need to form your business. The attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million plus businesses and done 650,000 consultations, and they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their service. You can have the peace of mind knowing your documentations have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges and no surprises, guys. And whether you need to form a company, apply for licenses and permits, or get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. All you need to do is click on LLC, and you can check out how to set up an LLC in the state of Georgia. Now, a limited liability company offers a liability protection and tax advantages, among other benefits for small businesses. The LLC formation in Georgia is quite easy. All you need to do is follow these 6 steps. The first thing is name your Georgia LLC. You'll need to choose a name to include in your articles before you can register your LLC. The name must comply with the Georgia naming requirements. That your name must have and include the words limited liability company. The name must be different from an existing business in the state, and the business name cannot contain words used to name a government agency, and there are certain restricted words that may require additional documentation and license paperwork. You need to have a URL availability, and you need to reserve your name. Then you have to choose your registered agent, because Georgia requires you to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity that is authorized to receive service of process and other official legal documents and notices on behalf of your LLC. And obviously, the entities must provide the registered agent service. The agent must have an address in Georgia, and the agent must be on site and available to accept documents and during regular business hours. After you've done it, you need to prepare and file the articles of organization. And the article of organization is a document that officially establishes your LLC by laying out the basic information about it. To prepare your article, you need to have an LLC name, a signature of the person filing out the form. That could be a member, manager, lawyer, or the LLC or another organization. Then you need to prepare your articles online, or you can need to file a complete transmittal informative form from the Georgia LLC. The form should have the LLC's email address, the LLC principal mailing address, the LLC's name and name reservation number, the name and address of the person filing the articles, the name and address of the LLC's registered agent, and all the organizers' names and addresses. Once you file your article, guys, the Secretary of State will review the filing. If the articles are approved, the limited liability company becomes a legal business entity. And once that happens, then you will receive a certificate from the state. And obviously, when the Secretary of State receives your article of organization, your business officially starts. Within 5 to 7 business days, the Secretary of State will process your filing and mail a certificate of your organization to your business address. This certificate will allow the LLC to obtain an employer identification number for business licenses and a business bank account. Then you have to go ahead and create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a document that outlines the way that your LLC will conduct business. And you need to make sure that everything that's included in the operating agreement has the LLC's name, principal address, duration, the purpose of business, the ways the profit and losses are going to be divided, and the procedure for admitting new members or as well as outgoing members, and management of the LLC as well. Then the last step is going to be getting an employer identification number. The 9-digit employer identification number is assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for taxes, and you can obtain your EIN by mail or online. The purpose of the EIN is to assist you with filing and managing taxes at the state and federal level, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Now, guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, if you need any clarifications, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.